Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what Equifax is and what services it provides. Equifax is a global data, analytics, and technology company. It is one of the three major credit bureaus in the United States, along with Experian and TransUnion. Equifax collects and analyzes information on consumers' financial behavior to create credit reports and credit scores. These credit reports are detailed summaries of your credit history, including your payment history on loans and credit cards, the amount of debt you have, and the length of your credit history. Lenders use this information to assess your creditworthiness when you apply for a loan, a mortgage, or a credit card. Beyond credit reporting, Equifax offers a wide range of services. For consumers, they provide credit monitoring, identity theft protection, and access to your credit report and credit score. Credit monitoring alerts you to any significant changes in your credit file, which can help you spot fraudulent activity early. For businesses, Equifax provides solutions for fraud prevention, marketing, and employment verification. They help businesses make informed decisions by providing insights into consumer and business credit behavior. This includes services for verifying the income and employment of loan applicants, which streamlines the lending process for banks and other financial institutions. In essence, Equifax plays a crucial role in the financial ecosystem by providing the data and tools that enable both consumers and businesses to make sound financial decisions. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.